Hello and welcome to Financial Technology Frontiers Live. Let me introduce you to one of the most interesting luminaries in our advisory panel who has been a CIO, who has dealt with technologies throughout his career and is now open to mentoring some of the technology companies, the banks, the insurance companies, and the financial sector technology side through our Financial Technology Frontiers. Join me in welcoming Gautam to this interesting galaxy of advisors. Gautam, welcome to Financial Technology Frontiers.
Hi, Babu.
So, Gautam, can you give me a little bit brief about your background?
Babu, my career spans across about 4 decades, starting from a public sector bank, all focused on technology for the financial services, and moving on to technology companies like Tata Unisys, and then setting up a bank myself, promoting a bank, which is IndusInd Bank, and then another startup, which is a technology startup, which is now Reliance Info Solutions, and then looking at the gamut of now digital transformation for a company called Tata Capital, and then State Bank of Mauritius. So this entire career spans across both sides, the business side as well as the IT management side for a captive IT unit.
Wonderful. You bring together a very good balance of both business and technology understanding together, and you have also been having a great blend of both banking, insurance, and NBFC space along with technology. So that's a very interesting blend that you bring across, Gautam. So what are the kind of organizations where you have been consulting and what kind of projects have you been undertaking?
You see, I'll basically categorize them into three. One is the fintechs, which I mentor and advise. These fintechs range from lending fintechs to cross-border remittances and those kind of businesses. So these are basically fintechs which also use technologies like Chat GPT and things like that, and AI. Then there are banks and financial institutions which actually use me for a lot of consulting on performance optimization, cost optimization, building strategy, and things like that. And the third is the software solution companies, which actually use my services for developing solutions in many of their business areas, because I have a fair amount of business domain understanding as well.
Wonderful. You probably blend both this business and technology understanding together. Which are the countries and geographies where you have worked, Gautam?
Almost all except Australia and New Zealand. Actually done business in North America, extensively in Europe. In the Far East, I used to be positioned in Japan as a geography head. I'm also based in Hong Kong, developing solutions and selling them to that part of the geography as well. And early in Africa.
Interesting. So you have probably had a very good geographical global experience as well. And
That's
if
right.
I may ask you, what are those kind of technology companies or banks, or what kind of projects would you like to take up, and what kind of organizations would you like to engage with?
Frankly, Babu, I would like to take up projects, give me a lot of challenge, like fintechs which want to get into market development, business development, and actually set up shop and come up to speed and come up to market. So basically, the entire development of a fintech and leading it up to the market. I actually feel that every organization has a vast potential for optimization, both performance optimization and cost optimization, and leading them from legacy to digital. This is a major area where I see a lot of potential, where organizations need guidance to move from legacy to digital. Although it may sound easy, but it's the most difficult thing. And that's a challenge which I'd like to take and succeed. And also in organizations where I can apply new technologies like blockchain, new digital technologies, as well as AI. So these are some of the areas that I would like to offer my services and actually help organizations to achieve their business objectives.
Wonderful. Thank you very much, Gautam. And we look forward to having more interesting engagements together and working with more and more challenging organizations which can actually leverage your great experience and understanding and also post new challenges to you so that we can jointly create a great ecosystem together. Thank you very much for being a part of this conversation.
Thank you very much, Babu.